guys, Sia got another toys from Kids Meal. That's from Tom and Jerry. So remove it, darling. Go check it.
I'll check what's inside.
Yeah, we'll check what is inside.
What do you have inside?
You're excited? Alright, take it, come on.
Chicken thing. Oh.
What is that? Wow! Wow! Open it! Open it! Here, open it. Open it. Wow! It's a car!
There's watching that bye.